Okay, what we have here today is a 1948 Singer W or 143 W2. This is Zig Zag style machine. It will do a straight stitch as well. Got a couple minor adjustments on the machine that you can make. First one over here is for your stitch length. Similar to a 111, you'll press down on this lever, find the notch, and then you can move your hand wheel to set your stitch length. This knob here controls the width of your zigzag. This machine will go up to a 3/16 zigzag all the way down to a straight stitch. Over on this side here, I've got the side cover removed. This here is your zigzag bar, needle bar. Pretty standard setup. It's really nothing too complicated to figure out. This is also a timing belt style machine. This one here, the belt has been replaced at some point in its life with a rubber belt. That was done well before I purchased the machine, so it's been in there a while. Again, this one's set up on my standard table. I usually just have a plywood cover that goes over the hole for the full-size machine. This one here is about a 3/4 size. It allows me to run multiple machines on one belt and motor assembly. This is not a servo motor. This is an old clutch style with an Atlas clutch. It's a little bit loud, but it does get the job done. I'll set you guys up here and we'll get this thing eating a little bit. Right now I've got it set up for a wide zigzag at about 10 stitches per inch. To narrow it up, just give your knob a couple of cranks. On down, take a look. Get the nice wide zigzag, narrowing up, and then right into a straight stitch. I've used this machine in place of my general purpose machine that's just a straight stitch drop foot, and it works just fine. Not bad for something that's almost 75 years old.